Oh, fuck. Throttle jammed on.
Throttle jammed on.
Fuck, I don't know what happened. Something broke at the front and or something. The throttle just setting up to break into the corner. And the next thing, oh fuck, don't do that.
Where she went.
Something broke. I'll figure that out.
You broken something?
No, I'm alright.